G'day Sawdust Makers, welcome to 2021. I've got a very exciting announcement today. First off, big thanks to all of you guys and girls who supported me throughout 2020. I had a competition. I should have announced those winners quite a while ago, which I will be doing at the end of this video. That's not what this is about. So what's the announcement? Let's take a step back. For as long as I can remember, I've worked jobs that I didn't like to do all those things that you have to do as a responsible adult. In the last 6 years, I've had an incredibly rewarding career that has nothing to do with woodworking. Every day was an emergency. I worked across the emergency management sector in Victoria, dealing with emergencies every day and people and communities in crisis and under threat, is incredibly rewarding, but it takes a toll on you. Doesn't matter what part of the world you are, you know COVID-19. We all did it tough. Some people did it tougher than others. Some people didn't make it. And it gives you a bit of a new perspective on things. Lost my mother-in-law, which was really difficult. She was still quite young. Very difficult for my wife and her family. It was hard for my kids, hard for all of us. And so, in saying that, if I hurry up and get to the point, all of these things make you reflect. And I said, screw it. Quit my job at the end of November 2020. I'm going to do what I want to do. I'm going to do what makes me happy. And that's being in here and making stuff, apart from blind faith and optimism that it'll be okay. Here we are. That's my announcement. Oz Sawdust Makers is full-time. But I do love how the universe works in mysterious ways. I haven't been advertising. I haven't done anything. I kind of hoped that I'd be pretty quiet in December and in the new year and take some time and spend with the family and all that sort of stuff, but within a few days I got a message. Can you make one of these? It was a mud kitchen. I got another message. Do you make mud kitchens? Yeah, I do. I do make mud kitchens. And then another message. And another message. And another message. Do you make outdoor dining tables? Yes, I do. Do you make kids' desks? Sure. Do now. A lovely lady who I had built a mud kitchen for, delivered to her just before Christmas, had put a post on Facebook in two very big Facebook groups for mums. Put in this lovely post about how I made this mud kitchen and it was wonderful and she loves it and I was great to deal with and friendly and she put my contact details in there. I've been flat out. Another thing to quickly announce is that, and certainly helped me make this decision, is Carbotech and Greg Australia. So they reached out to me about 6 months ago, asking if I would make some Craig projects and some content for the Carbotech YouTube channel, which of course I jumped at the opportunity. So I actually had to knock back a lot of that work, but I now have the time to do more of that, and you're going to see more of that. So there's a few videos on their channel. That was awkward. It's an inquiry. Carbotech, Craig Australia. So there's a few videos on their YouTube channel at the moment. There's a few more that I've completed that they'll be posting when they're ready, and there'll be more coming in the future. They're focused on the beginner woodworker, weekend type projects, minimal tools, and they're really, really fun. So keep an eye out for them as well. Anyway, I'm babbling. I need to get to the point. Bearded pineapple tape measure. We have two winners. We have David Kelly, who showed us this, And we have Michael O'Brien, who showed us this. Now I'm going to reach out to you on Facebook. You'll be getting a bearded pineapple tape measure. Bearded pineapple sticker. A pretty whiz-bang old Sawdust Makers sticker. And brand new, hot off the press, Oz Sawdust Makers hat. So congratulations, David and Michael. These will be sent out to you straight away. If you'd like an Oz Sawdust Makers hat, I will send one to you with an Oz Sawdust Makers sticker anywhere in Australia for $30. So for $30, you get the hat, you get the sticker sent to you within Australia. If you're overseas, I don't know how much it costs to send, so just hit me up. I'll leave the details below. I don't want this to take too long, but there is more to this. I am going to update you again very soon on what all of this means, and I want to explain a little bit about Oz Sawdust Makers, what my vision was when I came up with the name and logo, what that means for the future. So 2021 is shaping up to be a pretty good year, and I'm really excited, and I hope you'll come along the journey with me. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part of everything, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.